Hey, Jessica and Jovine here from Family Adventures TV.
Hello.
And we are doing our 1 year recap.
1 year?
Family Adventures TV! November 21st of 2017, we actually hit the road in our casa back here. So, ta-da, there she is. Da, da, da. At that time, we did not have a tent.
She didn't get any bigger, though.
Yeah.
I watered her, but she never grew.
So we hit the road, and let's just say we weren't really prepared. We had never done RV camping. At least I had never done RV camping as an adult. From the time I was like 5 to 12, my parents took me around in an RV, but it's really different being the adult in the RV camping situation versus being the kid, where you don't really have to take care of it.
They got it easy.
Lucky little things. You're just like, okay, we're setting up. We've got everything together, and
They
magic.
Wake up in the morning and bam, it's time to go to bed. We wake up in the morning and bam, ow, that hit me in the head as I was packing it up.
Yeah, so it's definitely different whenever you're doing this as a parent versus doing it as a kid. So whenever we hit the road, we started off by going to Alabama because it was only about 3 hours drive from there, and thank goodness, because I was terrified the whole entire time, just really worried that something was going to happen.
Well, also, our SUV was not meant to pull this thing.
That's true, but whenever you want to get on the road,
We made it.
you just like, oh, well, we're going to go, we're going to figure it out. So in our first go round, we went from Tennessee down to Alabama, stopped in Arkansas, a few spots in Texas, went through New Mexico, we stopped in Vegas, we were in California, Arizona, and then like we did that really slowly, went out very slowly.
Very slow.
And then whenever we were coming back, we did, 2,000 something miles?
Yeah, like
in 2 days, like with just like stopping and sleeping at rest areas, which was misery, but we were missing home and we wanted to see everybody, so we really, really hurried it back really fastly. So that first go around was actually a pretty rough go because we dealt with like a breakdown, which I'll put in the card above. You can see how in not a good state of mind I was. I was like, I'm quitting. And
the Houdini dog, he escaped his
the
kennel.
dog escaping the RV. Yep, another crying video if you want to watch that. Cried a lot that first year.
What to
But
cry about.
But that's true. But we also went to the Grand Canyon.
Gorgeous.
And that was so amazing. Our 6-year-old, he's still like, oh my gosh, we went to the Grand Canyon. Every time that he's like really tired, he's like, I'm almost as tired as I was at the Grand Canyon. But it was worth it.
It was good.
So that was always really cool. So, now this winter we're in Florida, and
So warm.
yeah, it's so warm. It's 70 something
Yeah.
today, and back home it's about 20-30 degrees colder, and we're like,
It's also
sorry
cold in
guys.
Texas, if y'all didn't know.
Well, actually, last year was just terrible.
Well,
Cold. It's not
snowed
always
in
like
It
that.
snowed on us.
Oh.
Texas and in California.
Yeah, that was beastly. It was mean. We were very upset.
We did not escape the winter like we planned.
Oh yeah, we went to Los Angeles. Los Angeles.
Los Angeles.
And we went to the Santa Monica Pier. See that video?
That
Here.
was fun.
And
It was cold though.
oh yeah, it was so cold there we couldn't go in the water. We were like, oh, we're gonna go swimming. We had our anniversary there, and we did like gas station sushi. It was so bad.
Well, we couldn't find a sushi
We
place.
could not. We're like,
"Where's
it's
the
Malibu. Like, there should be sushi places
How's
here.
there not a sushi place? But
There wasn't, so we just stopped at the gas station. And it was like, happy 11 years, babe. Gas station sushi.
and there were people taking photos, like photographers out there.
Yeah, we're
So
like,
just threw the sushi at them. Hilarious to watch the birds.
the birds
their
attack.
photos.
Yeah, because those birds were insane. Like, they were
kept trying
like
to
coming
steal our
after.
blanket.
They were, yeah. Steal our food, our drinks, our blanket, everything. I was like,
Took her straw.
back off.
That was before California said no.
Yeah, I guess I can
Plastic
see.
straws.
I guess I can see the straw issue with the crazed birds that are so obsessed
No,
with
it's
them.
not the people throwing the garbage.
It's the birds. The birds. So, our first year, let's just do five tips that we would give first time RVers. And you do a lot of the actual work with the RV, so give us your 5 best tips.
Tip number 1, actually learn about your RV. Like, figure out what all it can do. Because it was like going through a tank
year.
of propane forever before I learned that our hot water heater, or water heater, it's already hot, whatever, can run on electric. Didn't know that. Would have saved us a lot of money, a lot of heartache. We'd known that before. 2, make sure your vehicle can charge your battery on your RV, because our SUV could not. So there was a couple of times that the battery on the RV died, and we had to jump it off with the vehicle so we could open up the slide. So always make sure you charge your batteries, or your vehicle will charge them for you. Number 3, don't put too much weight on the jacks.
Oh, yeah.
We broke a jack, we replaced it. Also, part of number 3, go buy better jacks.
Yeah, yes.
The ones this came with are flimsy.
They're jacked up.
And it kind of just folded in on itself. So I went to Camping World and bought a bigger jack that could hold more weight. Works great. So don't overload your jacks and replace those things.
So that's kind of like,
That's
well,
3,
that's kind of like
3.5.
3.5.
There you
Okay,
go.
go ahead.
Number 4. Number 4 already, huh?
You gotta do poop.
I still got a lot of stuff to talk about.
You gotta talk about poop.
Don't dump your tanks until they're ready. Otherwise, you're not going to flush it out properly. Because I did not know when we first started, the guy told me, oh yeah, you do the black tank, then the gray tank. I thought he meant you just open up the black tank, then you open up the gray tank and you're good and you just wait. No, you open up the black tank, let it empty. Close said black tank,
That's the poop tank.
then
by the way.
open up the gray tank.
That's the water, like from dishes.
Yeah. So,
Empty
no
black
one
tank
told me that I had
first.
to close them. I thought it was only if you didn't have full hookup, so I left them open.
But you should close.
Yeah, apparently the reason you want to close them so that water and stuff builds up in there to help clean it out.
Yeah. Let's go away from the poop tank. Number
You
5.
brought it up.
Sorry,
Number
I
5.
had to help him out.
Hmm.
Get a power jack if you don't have
Power
one.
jack. I installed this puppy.
It was easy to install. Like
Yeah,
it was
it's like 3 bolts and it's done.
and it's like $150 for ours.
Yeah.
It's probably more for a bigger rig, but
And it hooks up to our truck, and I can lower it and raise it up without having to do this little number. Pain in the butt. Don't just get a power jack. It's not that big a deal. It's a great investment. You should just do it.
so
I got more.
no more for you. You can make your own video. So what this not now. Come back.
Oh, I was going to make a video. Over here.
So don't poach.
Well, they don't come to see me. They come to see you. So if I take them now,
Okay.
she'll be in my video. Come on over.
Okay, so this is the $1 million question that like everyone always wonders, and they always ask. First off, how is it living in that tiny 18-foot RV with one slide with 4 boys, a dog, and a cat? You want to weigh in first?
Crazy. At first. Until we learned it. At first, we were all on top of each other, tripping over each other. It was a pain in the butt. And our dog and cat didn't get along.
Oh,
So the
so
dog
we were
stayed
always
in
like
the kennel mostly.
refereeing this.
And then we took the cat and put the cat in the kennel and let the dog out. It's a pain in the butt. We had kennels. It was taking up space. We had less room because of all the crap we had going on.
That was so.
So yeah, it was pretty crazy at first, but it takes a while to get into the groove. But
Yeah.
once you get into the groove, you got it. Like, we all know what we got to do. The kids know what they got to do when they wake up. They know what they got to do to go to bed. The parents, me and Jessica, obviously. the parents. And so do the animals, honestly. The animals
Yeah,
know when the
they
cabinet
know.
opens up, it's food time. They come down and eat food. That's all they really know. But they're getting it.
Yeah, and for me, like, I love being close to everyone, and you know, just being able to look up and be like, oh, okay, there's the kids, they're all good, you know. And like whenever we had a bigger house, it was constantly like running in the other room, like, what are you crying about? What are you fighting? He did this, he did that. Oh, I didn't see it. I have no idea. Whatever happened. Now we see it all. We're like Santa.
See everything. Except
So
not as creepy.
yeah, I know it's a little legit creepy.
But we do see them when they're sleeping.
That's true. And
we
when
know
they're
when
awake.
they're awake. We know if they've been bad or good.
So
We
they
hope they've
should be
been
good, for goodness sake. So, yeah, it's really not when they pout to. But, another question people ask is, you know, would you, knowing what you know now, would you do it again? And I, for one, would say yes.
I'd say yes. Maybe not the same way, but I'd say yes.
Yeah.
Get the truck.
Yeah, I guess so, but, I mean, truthfully, with where we were at that point, we couldn't get the vehicle that we wanted. It wasn't going to happen for us if we didn't do it the way that we were going to do it. So, you just got to take that leap sometimes and just make it happen. So, that's our 1-year recap from the parents. And if you have any other specific questions, post them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding ding, and hit the bell. That's what my 6-year-old always says. Remember to tell him to hit the bell.
Become part of the adventure squad.
Yes. So we love having you guys, and whatever questions you have, you know, we'll make another video and share with you. We're pretty open about even the weird stuff.
Especially the weird
Yeah,
stuff.
especially the weird stuff.
Ask us the weird
Yeah, we'll
We'll make our 15-year-old do a video on the weird stuff. He'll have to
yeah,
answer all the questions.
that would be
So just
hilarious.
ask what you want to really know.
Yeah, from him.
From
that
him.
would
Don't
that
ask
would be
for
that
mine.
would be
Trust
awesome.
me. It'd be weird to answer the questions that were coming to us.
So thank you guys so much for being there. Again, like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you on the next video. Boop, boop, boop.
Deuces.